Welcome to the third edition of the Nissan Magnet First Mover Series, and this month we are in Kerala talking to a few Magnet owners in the days leading up to Onam.
I am Shobana, scientist at Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute. It's part of Indian Council of Agriculture Research. We already have a Terrano, Nissan Terrano, so we thought we'll just go to the showroom and see the vehicle. And in the first look itself, all of us like the car, look-wise as well as budget-wise. It is worth for the money which we are paying. It has many features like excellent infotainment system and multifunctional display for the driver. The best feature I feel it is the 360-degree camera. And I don't think any car with this budget has such an option. Overall, to tell about the car, though it is a compact SUV and looks small from outside, inside the car you have lot of space and a very good leg space, and in our family all of us just love the car. Nissan Magnite അടിപൊളിയാണ്.
I'm Donny Panikalam.
I'm Seena here. I'm a homemaker.
And I'm Ajay Panikalam, the youngest son.
I chose the Nissan Magnite because I wanted something more contemporary and I was looking for a compact SUV. I chose the top end version with the Style Pack and Tech Pack options. It had all the bells and whistles to keep the driver informed and entertained, like the Android Auto touchscreen, ambient lighting, puddle lamps, air purifier, and Lamborghini style AC vents. The icing on the cake is, of course, the turbocharged petrol engine.
The best feature which I personally like of the Nissan Magnite is the cruise control feature. So whenever I take the car for an occasional long drive or a highway drive, I get to use this feature to the most. The JBL speakers, the steering mounted audio controls, the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in the infotainment system all adds to the overall driving experience of the car.
The one standout feature of this vehicle is its styling. The interiors are also spacious, stylish and comfortable, and it has got many technical features. The most useful technical feature is the 360-degree surround camera. I find it very useful in reversing and also while parking the car. And I should add one more feature on this car, that is the height adjusting capacity of the driver's seat. That is indeed a very useful feature. Overall, Nissan Magnite ഒരു excellent rating കൊടുക്കാം. Nissan Magnite
ഒരു grand car ആണ്.
Hello, I am Roshan Robert and this is my son Mr. Kevin. So my preference was to have a big car with ground clearance. So we decided to take a compact SUV. And when it comes to my wife's preferences, she needs some space, especially on the rear side. And also it should not compromise the boot space. And my son, it was difficult to satisfy him because he is a youth and they are looking for something else. Due to the pandemic, we couldn't go much longer. But we have taken around 150 kilometers from here to Coimbatore. The car was very comfortable. Even my wife was very happy with that, and he was driving. He will tell you his experiences.
So talking about the usage, we have done a couple of long trips. Apart from that, we use it on a daily basis on cities, and it also has a pretty good mileage. We used to get on cities. We used to get about 16 to 18 between that.
What I like best in Magnite is the hill start assist. That is a very good thing which they have added to the car. I was always afraid of car rolling back.
When it comes to the safety, it has an ESP, EBD, everything, which is much important for a subcompact SUV.
In short, taking Magnite, I think I have taken a great decision. Nissan अडियोलियानले. मतलब एकदम बढ़िया.
Onam, it's in the offing. It's a traditional festival celebrated in Kerala by all the Malayalis around the world. Everyone look forward to the Ona Sadhya, which is the highlight of this festival. Ona Sadhya is the traditional Onam meal, Onam lunch, which includes a variety of vegetarian dishes. Maybe 15 or above vegetarian dishes will be served, and it is served on a banana leaf. And this sumptuous meal will be followed by the dessert, that is the paisam we call it. Dessert, that is a sweet dish. That is a highlight of this festival. And there are also this Pookalam. Pookalam is another highlight of this festival. Pookalam means it's a floral patterns laid up on the entrance of the house. Usually the women folk lay out this Pookalam. It is made of fresh flowers of different colors and it looks really nice. Some people, they keep on changing the designs every day. There are also some cultural activities associated with Onam, like the boat race, the Tiruvadira Kali, the Onam songs, Pulikali. Pulikali is something very interesting, that the artist, they paint their body and paint the body to look like tigers, and they roam around on the streets. That's very interesting and nice to watch.